16 different books of science and 12 different books of social science to poor students. Each student is given maximum number of books of only one subject of his interest, and each student got equal number of books. Okay. Find the number of books each student got and find the total number of students who got the books. Understand what the problem means. It means that 28 books of math, 16 of science and 12 of social science. Okay. And what we have to do is each student got only one book of his choice, of his subject, of each subject basically. Means one student can get 3 books of maths 1, science 1 and SS 1. Okay. That is possible. So how do you find number of books each student got? Firstly, what you do is find the HCF 28, 16 and 12. 28, 16, 12 divided by 4. Now, is this divisible further? No. So, if it's not, it means all the 3 should be divisible. Sure, it can be somewhere like 8 year, 4 year and 3 year. Then also you can't do it. Because 8 and 4 are divisible but 3 is not divisible. So, you have to wait in that case also. So HCF is 4. Now what we have to do? Divide each number of books by the HCF. So 7 students can get maths, 16 this science and this 4 means divided social science 3. Okay. So each student got how many books? 4 books. Okay. And number of students who got the book is 7 plus 4 plus 3. That is 14 books. 14 students. Next is solve. There are 4-5 sub questions to this. We'll solve each one. Rational form of 0.32 and the sign of repetition, the bar. It means this 32 gets repeated. 0.32, 32, 32, 32, it's like this. So x equals to what? 0.32, 32, 32. Okay. So 100x equals. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yogaguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.